Hey, welcome once again to Cooking Around channel. Hello. Today another Indian recipe. What is it? Chicken curry in a hurry. So I guess if you're in a hurry, this is for you. But what I like about this is it's a fine blend of the herbs, and spices that just blend together, and it just gives a beautiful, delicate sauce. A little bit on the spicy side. After all, this is Indian food, but it is really good. And I take this to lunch. Heats up really good in the microwave in my office. And look at this. Look at the sauce coming out here. And this will last for at least over 2 days in your refrigerator. Just try it with a bowl of rice and let me know what you think. Now grab yourself a pan and let's add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. And now I'm going to add 2 breasts of chicken chopped up into bite-sized pieces. Now still on medium high, I want you to fry the pieces, but they don't have to be completely browned. And once you reach more or less this beige color, you can remove the chicken into another bowl. Now reduce the heat to medium high and let's put in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and let's move that around. Now I want you to add 1 medium white onion and diced. If you don't want to dice it, then just slice it any way you want. Now let's add 2 to 3 garlic cloves and 1 tablespoon of ginger, all finely chopped. Now just add a pinch of salt, but be careful how much you add because the spices will be very flavorful. Now still at medium heat, I'm going to add 6 different types of spices, and you can find this in your regular grocery store. Now since it's 6, it's too much to repeat on the video, so look on the description below. And now I want you to basically cook the spices at this point for, let's say, about a couple of minutes. And for that rich taste, I want you to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, but I want you to fry it and move it around and slowly blend it into the onions and spices, and now the aroma will start to come out. Okay, let's bring this together now by adding 1 cup of coconut milk. If you don't want coconut milk, you can use heavy cream. Now start stirring and moving it around, and let's blend it all together. Now let's pull it all together. When it has reduced a little bit, like it's here and it's bubbling, let's add 1 can of chopped tomatoes or tomato sauce. Now let's get that chicken flavor a little stronger. So I'm adding 1 cube of chicken stock, but it's low sodium. Now this part is very important. You need to taste your sauce. Now you may add a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, a little bit more spices, whatever it takes to make you happy. Now it's very simple. Just take your chicken that was pre-fried and just put it into the pan and kind of gently just move it all the way around like this. Now when it reaches a boil, I want you to reduce to simmer. I want it covered and I want to let it go for at least 12 to 15 minutes, and I shall be back. And I'm back. Let's take a look. Oh, this is going really nicely. But I did come back and give it a little stir or two. Now let's just leave it open for another 5 minutes, and let's just let it go like this and let it reduce just a little bit more. Are we finished yet? Are we there yet? No, we're not. Let's take some chopped green onions. Let's say what? About 1/4 cup, and another 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. Just look at the colors here. Now I like to torture my subscribers, so I'm bringing the camera right in. Just look at this sauce. Look how it blends in with this chicken, and the chicken's just going to suck in all that sauce. And when you mix this with rice, You know, it's just really out of this world. Everybody's gonna love you. Everybody's gonna ask for more. So once again, thank you for watching this video. And once again, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.